Hi friends, welcome back to Mehndi Love. I'm Sharon and I'm a Mehndi artist and I would like to teach you how to draw using a Mehndi cone. So before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button below. So today we are going to know how to draw a bride as a part of my wedding bell series. These are the other videos of my wedding bell series and it is purely meant for wedding collections. So first we are going to draw with a pencil, then I will show you how to draw using a mehndi cone. So today we are going to draw how to draw a bride, a full face traditional Indian bride. For that just draw a line, then a notch, then drag it down to make a V shape. I'll repeat it. So just a line, then a notch, then a V shape and the upper border. Okay, now let's look into the eyebrows. Just two arches, semi arches. Just thin, small, two semi arches. If you have any doubt, then you can say in the comment box or else you can say in my Instagram DM. We should not draw a full eye, only one half eye and a full eye with a tail. Like this, one half eye and a full eye. Then let's look for the eyelids. Just a line similar to the upper border of the eyes, and two circles can make the iris. If you have any doubt, please say in the comment box. Now let's do the nose. Same, just a line and a V shape, again a line upwards, and for the lips, two heel shape, then just a tail. Two heel shape, a tail, a downward two heel shape and a tail joined together. Lips are always simple to draw. So this thing will come inside our face border. So now let's look how to draw with a mehndi cone. Similarly, a small line, a small notch and a V shape. Then the upper border of our face. Then now let's look how to draw a hair before drawing all the elements in the face like eyes, etc. So our bride is having a bigger puff and a back bun with some flowers and an ornament in it. So check out my Instagram page also. It is also called Mehndi Love and there are many amazing and beautiful tutorials, videos and also many other designs in my Instagram page. You can check that out and also leave me comment through my DM. So now we are filling our hair portion. Just fill that hair portion with mehndi. After that, let's make it realistic. So we are completing our hair part. This video is a kind of little bit lengthy because I have to tell you all the minute details of how to do this bride. So please watch till the end because I'm going to say how to make the shadings of the face at last. So watch till the end for all the secrets and tips of making a bride beautiful. And now we are drawing the ornaments for her hair and also making her messy hairband. And this is how a face look like, and we are going to shade the face. For that I took some mehndi on my earbud and I'm just dragging it on the face part of the bride. Just spread the mehndi on the face part of the bride. Even though I'm just showing you in a paper, when you do it in your hand also you can do the same thing, and it is how we used to do a shading with mehndi. And this bride can be done either in your palm or in the arm portion as you like or as your bride like. And this is how the eyebrows are drawn as I shown with the pencil. Then the half eyes and the full eyes. Then comes our nose portion. What we have done now is just a basic shading. The shading which we used to give to make it look more realistic will be shown at the end of this video. So watch till the end for knowing how to draw and shade a bride. And now we are going to give some detailing to the hair part to make it look like some shading inside the hair. So just use your comb without pressing to take off some mehndi from our drawing. And check out my other accounts, like you can find me in either TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, etc. also. And also check out my Instagram page. And now we are doing is a head ornament. And for that we are giving some kind of mehndi type of design itself. And let me know what kind of bride you want me to teach next time. So please leave it in the comment box so I can know what kind of bride and what kind of videos you are interested in, and so that I can make that the next time when I make a video. And let's do her earrings. She's a rich bride, so we are going to make a bigger earrings. Always a bride should look rich, because every girl's dream is to be a rich bride with a heavenly looking ornament, garments, dress, etc. for the wedding. And let me also know how you want to be in your wedding in the comment box below. So we are almost done with the earrings, and let's go into our choker set for our necklace set. And I hope you like my narrations too, and I'm not that good in narrations as I said in my before videos also, so you could say what I have to do to improve my narrations in the comment box, or you could either DM me in my Instagram page and just complete the choker set. It's better to teach if you're like we are sitting face to face and I'm explaining to you, but rather than sitting here and talking to a camera, it's a bit difficult because I can't understand whether you are understanding anything or you are interested or how you are getting this. And also it's better if you could interact back to me. That's why I'm asking you to do it through the comment box or DMing me. And now we are going to do the veil of a bride. I'm not going to make this bride more complicated because already this video is a bit lengthy and I just don't want to make it more and more lengthy. She is having a beautiful veil, and this is the part of her lehenga blouse. And let's shade her skin at the neck portion. For that also, as I said before, just take some mehndi paste in the earbud and just drop it over there or spread it over there in that part. Now let's just darken her blouse borders. Just darken it or fill with some mehndi paste. Now let's go for designing the veil borders. For that we are just using some random lines, some straight lines. without any gap in between them. If you are interested in drawing designs rather than doing figure works, then there are other videos of mine in the same channel teaching how to draw this designs, Indian designs, Arabic designs, everything starting from basics. So please refer that if you are interested. And we are giving some symbol designs in the other portion of our wheel, and now we have to do is make some designs for her top or lehenga blouse, and for that we are just making some random curves, some lightest curves without any pressure like vines, and just we are going to give some leaf like thing, random dots. So I'm giving some random dots to her blouse. So what kind of mehendi work do you like the most? Figure work, or do you like drawing designs, or do you like drawing Arabic one, or do you like drawing modern kind of mehendi? So please let me know that also in the comment box below. So we are almost there completing her lehenga blouse, and after this we will just move on to a face shading. And we are going to give some additional detailing to her wheel border, that is some dots to show some jewels to her wheel. So we are giving some detailing to her wheel using some dots, and there is my video showing how to make perfect dots with the help of mehendi cone. You can refer that if you are interested. And now let's look into how to draw or shade the face, and I'm going to shade a little bit on her eyelid and make some lines to make it look more original. And I'm going to draw some random lines to make my shading easier. These are the lines which we are going to merge using our earbud for shading, like what I'm doing now. Just shade and merge the henna paste and then the rest of the area of the mehendi. Now we are going to do the area between the lips and nose to make it more real. We are adding some more paste and just spreading it out into opposite directions to make that small depression between the lips and the nose. And we are going to shade the lips, but we are going to leave some area in between inside the lips so that it will seem like the light is falling that part, and it's like a kind of shading, originality giving shading. And now let's move on to other detailing of her face. Let's draw the iris. Iris too has a white portion and the rest black portion. Why, I don't know, this bride looks so sad. Maybe she is not willing for her marriage or something. So when you draw, make it more beautiful and make her more happy. I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching till the very end of my video. Thank you for subscribing my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.